Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience with us. In this video today, we are going to discuss about the recent legal news and also we are going to correlate it with the existing law on the point. So ये interesting content videos, strategic preparation for various कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स और ये सारे कंटेंट के लिए आप लीगल बी को जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। अगर आप कोई कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं आफ्टर योर लॉ लाइक सेबी, आरबीआई, आईबीपीएस, एसओ लॉ ऑफिसर एग्जामिनेशंस एक्सेट्रा, डू चेक आउट आवर ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज अवेलेबल ऑन www.iexambee.com। इन कोर्सेज के आप डेमो एक्टिवेट करके देख सकते हैं। कोई भी क्वेरीज हो, यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट टू अस एन ईमेल ऑन hello@iexambee.com. Call us on the number 920-5524028. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. We are going to talk about the latest news which is trending in law and as well as justice. That is the car accident that is committed by the juvenile, by the minor in Pune Porsche area. इस पर लॉ क्या है ये भी हम लोग समझेंगे, बट पहले हम इस इंसिडेंट्स के बारे में थोड़ी जानकारी ले लेते हैं। दिस वॉज एन एक्सीडेंट दैट वॉज कमिटेड बाय अ जुवेनाइल हु इज 17 years and 8 months old. He committed an accident and he was actually drunk while he committed an accident. He was speeding. He was over speeding at 160 kilometers per hour. This is what is as per the reports that we have received on various news items, that this is what are the facts about it. And as a result, two people who were on a pillion ride, they got hit by the car on their motorbike and they got killed on the spot. One girl and a boy. They hail from Madhya Pradesh originally. They were working in Pune and both of them got hit on the spot. They died on the Sunday morning. So as a result, being a juvenile, being a minor person, he was sent to the Juvenile Justice Board. And to a shock of everyone, Juvenile Justice Board released him on bail within 15 hours of the incident. So the question is that whether the JJ board has taken a lenient view on the point. Bail was granted within 15 hours and that too it was done on following conditions which are very meager. That he should write an essay reflecting the accident. He should seek help for giving up drinking and do some voluntary work with the Pune Traffic Police. These are the punishments that were given to him, as not punishments in the true sense. I'm not talking in the legal sense. Punishments जैसे हम लोग स्कूल में punishments देते हैं बच्चों को, उसी तरीके से इस एक्सीडेंट के रिलेटेड बेल की कंडीशंस दी गई है। अगर हम जुवेनाइल की बात करें, जुवेनाइल has the concept of child in conflict with law. But a person, a minor of 17 years, 8 months, whether he should be considered as a child in conflict with law and he should be given such kind of meager conditions and he should be released on bail immediately, जबकि ऐसा इंसिडेंस हुआ है, ऐसा हीनियस क्राइम हुआ है कि वो दोनों की जान ऑन द स्पॉट गई है. This is very much in the news now and the Commissioner of Police of Pune has taken permission for trying him as an adult now. The application is pending. Let us see what happens. But JJ board ने जो ये lenient view लिया है and इसके backing में legal provisions क्या है Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act के, वो हम लोग देख लेते हैं. Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act Section 12 talks about bail to a person who is apparently a child alleged to be in conflict with law. Where any person who is apparently a child and is alleged to have committed an bailable or non-bailable offence is apprehended or detained by police or appears or brought before a board, such person shall, notwithstanding anything contained in CRPC or in any other law for the time being in force, be released on bail with or without surety. After that, he should be put under supervision of a probation officer or under the care of any fit person. So this is what is the provision of bail. Provided that such person shall not be released if there appears a reasonable ground for believing that release is likely to bring that person into association with any known criminal, expose the said person to moral, physical or psychological danger, or the person's release would defend the ends of justice. The board shall record the reasons for denying bail and circumstances that led to such a decision. So this is a welfare legislation. We can understand that more than a penal, but a welfare legislation it is, considering that bail has been granted as a lenient view under section 12. But then, looking at the facts and circumstances which are there before the court of law, can this interpretation be fit, like it would defend the ends of justice or not? This is what is the question which is being raised on granting bail so leniently, and within 15 hours it was granted also. Preliminary assessment into heinous offences by the board. There is a provision under JJ Act under section 15. A preliminary assessment has to be carried out by the JJ board in case of heinous offences. What is this preliminary assessment about? To make it out whether the person is above 16 years, first of all. If he is above 16 years, the board should conduct this preliminary assessment with regard to his mental and physical capacity to commit such an offence. In this case, the minor was fit in this section and his mental and physical capacity could had been judged. If he has committed the offence which is very heinous, he is driving at the speed of 160 km per hour. It is not a small, it is not a very less speed, it is a very high speed, and definitely accidents can be committed. He was drunk. This is something which is a very heinous crime. So we cannot just say that because of 4 months he should be tried in the very lenient manner. And if suppose this preliminary assessment leads to a conclusion that he was mentally fit to understand the consequences of this act, then he may be, as per section 18 subsection 3, orders regarding a child found to be in conflict with law, where the board after preliminary assessment under section 15 finds, then he may, the board may order that there is a need for trial of the said child as an adult. So this is what is there in the hands of the JJ board. This power has been given to the JJ board as per the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act. So this case could have been transferred to the children's court at least for trial as an adult. But this was not complied with. There is one more provision under the Motor Vehicles Act which provides for punishment to the guardian. According to that, the father of this particular minor has been arrested as well. Section 199A talks about offences by juveniles. This is of the Motor Vehicles Act. Where an offence under this act has been committed by a juvenile, the guardian of such juvenile or the owner of the motor vehicle shall be deemed to be guilty of contravention and shall be liable to be proceeded against and punished accordingly. Provided that they should be knowing that the ward or the child has taken the car, and it should not be done unknowingly to them. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि उन्हें इस इंसिडेंट्स के बारे में कुछ भी पता नहीं है and the offence has been committed by the minor on his own. They should know about it. Then only they will be liable to be charged for section 199A. Consent guardian की है तो ही उन पर ये section applicable होता है. So this was all about the law on the point relating to this car accident. Everybody is telling you about the news that what happened, it was a very lenient view and all these things. But then if you are a lawyer or if you are a law student, then definitely you should be able to see the legal angle as well, that what were the relevant provisions, what was the law, and how the law has been interpreted by the JJ board, and how, what in future, what can be the scope of the trial of this particular minor. All these things should be known to you. इस रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरीज हो या फिर आप कुछ ऐड करना चाहते हैं, आप हमें इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल लीगल बी एंड स्टे अपडेटेड विद ऑल सच काइंड ऑफ वीडियोस. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamBee. Download our iExamBee app. We have online courses available for various competitive examinations. You can check out the full course access on our app as well. आप वीडियोस को डाउनलोड करके भी पढ़ सकते हैं ऑफलाइन मोड में. यू डोंट रिक्वायर इंटरनेट एक्सेस फॉर दैट. जस्ट डाउनलोड इट, कीप इट विद यू, एंड अपने लेजर टाइम में आप पढ़ सकते हैं. लाइव क्लासेस हैं, डेली क्विजेस, मॉक टेस्ट एंड व्हाट नॉट. आज एक वर्कशॉप भी है at 8 PM regarding the recent changes of the 3 criminal laws. How you have to approach these particular laws. What are the type of questions that will be asked. All these things will be addressed by me today evening 8 PM. So do register for the workshop immediately and join. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.